In this video, we'll explore and elaborate the essential benefits of predictive and descriptive analytics. Now, predictive analytics are generally used to identify and predict unknown future events on the basis of identified current trends by applying various advanced analytical techniques. Predictive analytics uses various techniques ranging from data mining, statistics, machine learning, and in certain cases, artificial intelligence, so as to analyze the current state and predict the future state. Some of the prominent areas of predictive analytics implementation includes fraud detection, optimizing marketing campaigns by identifying the critical and current trends along with various critical factors that influence the market drivers. Now, predictive analytics, when applied with machine learning algorithms, also provides solutions in the form of predicted parameters to improve operations and reduce risk by analyzing the trends of failures. Finally, using predictive analytics, we can avoid future failures by properly analyzing the system failures and their historic causes. Now, descriptive analytics facilitates data processing, which in turn creates a summary of the historical data to provide useful and purposeful information, and also prepare the data for further analysis. The underlying benefit of descriptive analytics is to prepare the data and provide an approach of simplifying a huge set of data. Descriptive analytics is used to identify relative attributes of the data, provide and maximize the data insight, and also extract relevant data so we can use it as a training set and apply application to get data. Descriptive analytics can also be used to identify data anomalies and outliers that help in adopting the right machine learning algorithms, so we can eliminate the impact of data outliers.